Oh, this is beautiful though. Instead of you. Okay. Yeah, yo. Portugal. Hey, yo. Walk down in the street, everybody's doing jogging. Yeah, they all doing jogging. Hey, Phil, where you carrying? Where you carrying, though? You carrying football? I ain't seen you, though. Exactly, yo. So, hey, told you, why didn't you come to play football today? Told you, why didn't you come to play football today?
What's up, bro?
Now I'm gonna put in my status, bro.
Okay.
But I wonder why I told you I didn't come play football today. Oh shit. I'm gonna pause the video first. I'm gonna da. This is the mountain. We're on top of a mountain, bro. Okay, some people don't know, so that's why we can take the view. The view of Portugal, though.
Not Portugal, the lie, bro.
This is not the whole Portugal, bro. This is Amador. But this can't be the whole Amador. This ain't Amador. Amador is just somewhere. Amador is just somewhere. This place. No, it's more beautiful than this. It's more beautiful than this way. This is Audi. I don't know if you can see. This is Audi. Okay. And apart from that, what else again? I think that's all. We chill. Goodbye, y'all. Take care of yourself.